Hello again, it's Noob, and I don't know what you keep in your wallet, but what I keep in mine is just some credit card pick sets and, well, a padlock. Yeah, that's right, a whole padlock, which I fit in my wallet. Isn't that kind of cool? I know that, and I know that it's probably junk, but it is kind of cool. This is the Quirky padlock. And Bosnian Bill and Lockpicking Lawyer have both done videos on this, and so has Legal Lockpicker, who kindly sent this one to me from the US. And it is kind of cool. It literally does, in its own little way, fit in a wallet. I mean, it is possible to fit a whole padlock like this with a relatively deep shackle into a wallet, albeit at some cost, because there we go. Look at the thickness of this compared to a similar thickness credit card. Yeah, it's what, 5, maybe 6 times thicker. It is roughly the right size. I know that a credit card is about 85mm tall, and this is going to be about 84mm tall. So it is about the right size compared. So you can see the comparison there. It is about the right size to a credit card, but not when it's this way round. Let's just have a look at the box this came in. It's got some cool information on it. So apparently it is hardened steel. I will believe it. I'll give it the benefit of the doubt. Why not? It does say wallet size. Is it wallet size though? I'm not sure. It sort of looked like it with my big wallet, but say you just had a little card wallet like this and stuck it in. Just look how much, I mean, it's ridiculous, isn't it? So, yeah, maybe-ish. It does say here, never leave your valuables unlocked with flat lock. Fits in your wallet, goes wherever you go. Over the back, it says carry it anywhere. Wallet size, size in where I do, hard to seal. Okay, cool. Extremely thin. Yeah. Inventor David de Matthew. Plus, how do 4,000 other influencers design it? I don't know. I don't know. Keychain key, that is true. We'll come on to that in a minute. And then before and after. What I like is comparing it to this lock here, because it's, take the key out. You can see here that it really does look like you've taken the lock on the right and just squashed it, and it's turned into a lock on the left. It's kind of a, okay, yes, this is chunky and this is way thinner, but I think you can imagine which one might give you a high level of security. So yeah, you get a trade-off there. I don't know how much these go for, but if it's any more than like $10, yeah. Anyway, so this is the Quirky padlock. Now, you might think I'm going to hate on it. No, absolutely not. I actually really like this. I think it's really, really cool. Why? Because it's different, and it sort of looks like my Noob logo. So yeah, maybe a bit of that too. But I just kind of like its innovation, even though, it's a bit janky. The seams aren't perfect. It is just sort of pot riveted in. The key's kind of cool though. You slide this bit and it opens up, and when you lock it up and pull that out, this bottom part is the key. There is the lock itself, so you can leave that attached to something. And the key itself is kind of cool because it literally folds in to this, which you could then put on a keychain with a bunch of other keys. It's kind of cool. And then because this little prong sticks out, you can flip up your key and then use it in your lock. So yeah, it's kind of like it. Now, the locking mechanism, I went to Bosnian Bill's video before I shot this, and there's a couple of things. He takes this apart, and this long prong essentially disengages a small locking mechanism which allows the latch to slide when you pull the key like that. So it's only that small prong there which is between you and somebody opening the lock. Now, it's security by obscurity. You might not know what's going on here. I suppose if you had a gym locker at work somewhere really low security, I don't know, I'm trying to struggle to think of an application for it, it might be okay. I mean, this could maybe be better than literally nothing apart from a big cable tie, which might offer a bit more security. I don't know, but I still don't really hate it. In terms of the key itself, there's the dimples on here. Bosnian Bill said that these are probably some kind of key controls, so that this key couldn't act on another lock. But the thing is, I reckon if you filed this off, there's a very high chance that this could actually be used on any lock. Well, not any lock, any of these Quirky locks. And it does mean that because of you literally just pushing something aside and sliding it, you can stick in anything really, anything strong enough to just push down the latch and slide it. So you've got to get it in the right position and then slide it across. Always get it wrong, especially on camera. It's actually really simple. It's got to push it down to the back, and there you go. You can see there is a little cutaway that is attached to that sliding latch, which you need to move out of the way. But other than that, it's like pretty much zero security. But again, I don't dislike it. I don't really think it fits in a wallet very easily. And I don't know if you want to fill up your wallet with something like this and take away all the store cards and credit cards and gym membership cards and whatever else you have. But as a curiosity, I kind of like it. As a lock, yeah, not so much. I just can't think of a very good application for it. But I'm so glad I have it in my collection nonetheless. Anyway, look, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to leave me a like, that really helps. If you have a comment about this video or the lock, then please leave one below. I read all the comments. I reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and teaching me how to say consider subscribing. And I'll see you all next time.